Hi everyone. In today's video, we are going to solve this question. But before starting the solution, like the video, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it. Let's begin to solve the question. The question is how to find the sum of this series and what is the correct option. How can we solve this? We can write this one is 3 minus 1 divided by 2 plus this term is 3 square minus 1 divided by 2. Similarly, this term is 3 cube minus 1 divided by 2. If you simplify this, so 3 cube 27, 27 minus 1 26, 26 by 2 is 13. Similarly, this term 40 we can write 3 to the power 4 minus 1 divided by 2 up to so on to the 10th term is 3 to the power 10 minus 1 divided by 2. So the general term for this sequence is an equal to 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. How can we find the sum? We apply summation. N starts from 1 up to 10. 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. And we can write this is 1 over 2 summation n starts from 1 up to 10, 3 to the power n minus 1. Now we can write half summation n starts from 1 up to 10, 3 to the power n minus 1 by 2, and summation n starts from 1 up to 10 of 1. So we will find the sum of this series, and this is a geometric series, and we know that we can find the sum of the geometric series by this formula 1 by 2, and the first term a, then the common ratio is 3, so 3 to the power 10 minus 1 and divide by the common ratio minus 1, so 3 minus 1 is 2 and minus half of 10. Now we simplify this, so if we simplify this we will get 4 4 2 8 6, and here we get 5, and we will get 4 4 2 8 1, and this is the correct option. Like the video, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.